Manufacturing Overview. The Acumatica Manufacturing Suite provides a complete manufacturing automation solution integrating your shop floor with sales, accounting, ordering, and inventory. It integrates with all Acumatica suites to deliver a powerful and complete solution for make-to-stock, make-to-order, engineer-to-order, project-centric job shop, repetitive, and batch manufacturing companies. The manufacturing suite includes the following modules: Bill of Materials, Production Management, and Material Requirements Planning. Let's look at some of the functionality. The Bill of Material module creates production specifications and is the framework for the planning functionality throughout the system. A multi-level Bill of Materials presents both engineering and financial views of the product structure, efficiently plans and manages your inventories, costs, and manufacturing processes, and provides full revision control. All maintenance of the Bill of Material and routing information is done on a single screen. The master files that support that information are maintained in the Work Center Maintenance, Shift Maintenance, Overhead Maintenance, Shop Floor Calendar Maintenance, Tools and Aids Maintenance, and Machine Maintenance. The Bill of Material is integrated with the routing to directly connect materials, allowing for the time-phased release of materials. The Bill of Materials supports multiple material types, including phantoms. Phantoms indicate that the item's components, and optionally the routing, will be included in the production order. This means that the components and possibly the routing will appear on the production order while the phantom items disappear. Changes to phantom items, such as components or quantities when made at the Bill of Material level, are carried throughout the system. The system supports effectivity and expiration dates for planning and execution activities, allowing you to enter dates that material will become available for use and unavailable. You can maintain a complete revision history of your Bill of Materials. Reference designators are primarily used in electronics manufacturing. They are identifiers that are used to reflect each use of the material and where on the engineering drawing the item is used. The Bill of Materials Report button quickly allows you to view the single-level Bill of Material cost. You can quickly copy an existing bill of material and routing using the Copy BOM button. This copy may be used as an alternate BOM for the same inventory item, or it may also be used to create a different yet similar inventory item. Production steps provide detailed work instructions that describe the specific work that needs to be performed at each operation. Using product steps and standard note capability, you can document the entire production process. The system allows for multiple costing methods, including average, last, and standard. Other costing capabilities include the ability to add tooling costs and overhead costs, as well as both fixed and multiple types of variable overhead costs. Now let's look at production management. The production management module gives an organization the ability to control the entire production process. It provides the ability to track material and labor costs, schedule production on the shop floor, and allow the user to compare the standard or planned production costs to the actual costs of the production order. Production orders can be created in multiple ways. Manually enter a new production order, generate a production order directly from a sales order, or generated from MRP. When a production order is created, the entire BOM and routing is copied from the Bill of Materials module to the production order details. This shows the product structure, the start and end date, status, quantities completed and scrapped, and the labor cost, as well as the material issued and the actual material cost for each operation. A production order can have 7 different statuses: planned, which is the default for new production orders; released; in process, this is the status once a transaction is processed against the production order; hold; completed; canceled; closed. The system accommodates multiple scheduling methods. Finish on backward schedules the production order starting from a specific date, meaning production must be completed by this date. Start on forward schedules the production order starting on a specific date, meaning production will start on this date. ASAP forward schedules the production order starting today and schedules the production order whenever it can. User dates allow the user to define the start and end dates of the production order. The dispatch priority is the priority of the production order and allows the user to fine-tune the schedule. The priority ranges from 1 being the highest priority to 10 being the lowest priority. If the production order was created from a sales order, the References tab shows the customer and sales order number. If the production order was created manually or generated from MRP, these fields will be blank. The work in process account and sub-account that will be used for all production transactions, the Bill of Material ID and revision to be used on the production order, You can change and use a different bill of material ID or revision as long as the production order is in a planned status. If the current production order is a subassembly for a finished good and it was generated from a top-level production order, the production order number on the top-level item would display in the product order field, and the parent item would display in the parent order field. The Event History tab lists all of the key events the production order goes through. The event history will provide an audit trail for the production order. Some of the events that are recorded are order created, released, order placed on hold, order removed from hold, reset to planned, changed status to canceled, order completed, WIP dollar-only adjustment, close order. The Totals tab displays a summary of the costs broken out by labor, machine, material, tool, fixed overhead, variable overhead, and any adjustments that have been issued to the production order. These costs come from issuing material through the Release Material function, applying labor to a production order through the labor entry with the Optional Move function, backflushing of labor and/or material through the Move Transaction function, and adjustments made throughout the Adjust WIP function. Barcode data collection can be utilized to record labor and material transactions as well as inventory transactions, such as issues, receipts, cycle counting, and physical inventory. The system has full lot/serial number traceability. Lot or serial numbers for finished goods may be pre-assigned. If lot or serial numbers are not pre-assigned, then they can be assigned either automatically or by the user during the move transaction when the finished good is moved into inventory. Component parts that are lot or serial numbered are assigned automatically, or the user may assign them when issued to the production order as part of the Release Material Transaction function. Now let's look at materials requirement planning. The art of balancing supply and demand is critical to any manufacturing organization. The Materials Requirement Planning, or MRP module, is a planning tool that enables an organization to satisfy customer requirements while maintaining optimal inventory levels. It takes demand from sales orders and forecasts in conjunction with the supply of purchase orders, production orders, and master production schedules to generate planned orders in a time-phased manner to offset the outstanding demands for end items and subassemblies. The MRP ticker is the core MRP screen. It shows the planner exactly what needs to be purchased and/or manufactured. From one centralized location, all supply and demand can be viewed. Production and purchase orders can be created directly from this screen, simply by checking the box next to the item and clicking the Plan button at the top. The MRP Exceptions shows the planner recommendations to defer, expedite, and delete supply items. Exception messages also identify late orders as well as display any transfers that are available from another warehouse or site. Forecast maintenance allows the user to enter sales forecasts. These forecasts can be dependent and consumed by sales orders, or can be independent. Forecasts can be input as a one-time forecast, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Master production schedules allow the user to enter production schedules. The master production schedule is treated as a pre-planned production order and will act as a supply for other demand requirements. Master production schedules will be consumed by production orders. For more information about the Acumatica Manufacturing Suite, visit our website to read documentation and view other videos.